So back at it. The last video we were getting this bit all chopped out, this corner as you can see here. Oh, this rot is just crazy. So yeah, we're going to do this bit today, make this bit up, make all this panel along here, and then to get this whole shape exactly like that, I'm going to get a piece of metal flat across here, bend that in shape, and then I'm going to tack another piece of metal behind, and then get all this shape down here, weld this all and tack weld it all up, and then I can then put that bit in after to get this bit here, to get this whole shape. I think that's probably the best thing to do. I'm going to do it this way on this side. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, so I'm going to crack on. So I got a little bit ahead of myself. Just cut this down here to get this shape, as you can see there, starting to take shape there. So I've got to flatten this bit and then shape all that round and tack it all in place. I've used a rubber mallet just to tap that, in place, get that shape round here, and then I'll probably cut a little notch out of here to bring it round, so I'll weld it to this bit here because that's still fairly good, that bit. So that's what I'll do now. So I'll get this on video, just get all this shape, and we'll come back and tack all that in. So I mentioned about my belt sander in the previous video. That's worn away. You can see that I've tried to fix it in there, stop throwing the belt off, but I mean still, that's worn away. It's done well. As you see, the wheels there is pretty had it on the edge there. It's probably what it is, keeps throwing the belt off that wheel. But yeah, so that's the Black & Decker one. Decided to get an Evolution one this time. Give this a whirl. You can adjust the arm so you can have different angles, so that's going to help a hell of a lot. It feels a lot more sturdier, and hopefully it'll be a bit more, just seems a bit more quality anyway. Got a spare arm with it, and some brushes, some belts. I'm not sure if they're for wood or what, I don't know, but we'll give them a go, see what they're like. So yeah, so we'll get this on the go today and give it a whirl, and hopefully that will help me out, and hopefully it might be a bit better to use. But oh, actually, that arm is slightly different to that. It's got two wheels on that one. Oh right, I have to look into that and see what that one's for, even better. Might be for flatter bits there, might be easier to use this one. Anyway, look into that. We're going to crack on, carry on with this. So we're going to carry on with this. Didn't get too involved in doing this bit, so I've got all this welded up in this bit nice. So I'm going to make this panel here now, come up here, and then get it all welded in, and then I'll come back to this bit and get all this in shape and tacked in and welded up. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Obviously I've got to cut this bit off, as you can see that line. I'll cut it right back to get this like lip down here. So yeah, looking good. I'm happy with it. So that'd be, get this bit done, and we can move along. But we'll crack on with this. Let's go. So cut this out. I left another inch up here because I cut it a bit too short. Really, I just wanted a little bit extra just in case I don't have enough for the top. So what I'm going to probably try, I'm going to do this, I think. I'm going to get this on there first, like that, tack it in place, and then use the rubber mallet to get this actual shape all here. Then once I've got that shape, I'll cut this off, get it tacked to this, I would probably say rust if I can. And then I can start getting it all tacked and welded in. And then making a nice shape, and then I'll get this bit done down here. But yeah, that's what I'm going to try. That's what I'm going to do. See if it works. It should do. I mean, I'm going to try and clean some of this up, make it a bit more flush. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Do that first, and then we'll go from there. So we'll crack on. So there you go, all welded up. Got to get all this smoothed off yet, but like I say, that's in there like that. So once that's all in there, I can shape this top bit. As you can see, it's got a nice curve on it now. It comes up to this corner. Got to bend this out a bit here to come round to this bit, but that is pretty much there really for now. So what I'm going to do, because I've done that bit as far as I can go, I'm going to, in the next video, we'll come into this corner on the other side and start all this and get all that bit done on the inside. So that's the end of the video. More rust, more panels made. In the next video, we're going to crack on and go into the bulkhead and get that inside bit done and sorted out, so we can go back to the inside of the inner wing and carry on the bit I was doing in this video. So if you haven't already, get yourself involved, like and subscribe, keep commenting, and I'll see you next time.